Alright, so hey guys, what is up? Hey? So welcome back Orko video ma. Yes, today's video is gonna be about this thing over here. Currently I'm recording on my GoPro, but soon, like a video I'll be recording on this one. So yeah, this is kind of an unboxing video of my new camera, the DJI Action 5 Pro. Okay, and this is a standard combo. This is what the box looks like. Alright, let's get started with it. Let's see what comes in a standard combo. It's bhayhalyo haina, and then looks like this is the camera. Oh wait, that's not the camera. This is the camera. paper forums के रहेछ safety चाहिँ धेरै दिन आउनु रहेछ. Looks like this is the case. Yep, some DJI stickers here and charger. I already have heaps of this, and this is the other stuff that comes with it, यो सब मसँग छँदा छ, त्यही पनि हुन्छ नि, लाइक अब यो केस चाहिँ it will be useful. Other than that अरु कुरा चाहिँ मसँग पहिलेबाट छ, so you know. तर क्विक रिलीज वाला छ केसमा, त्यो चाहिँ that's a useful one. I already have this one. Here's a battery, 1950 को the mAh battery हो यो. And then this is the quick release mount, which I'm really excited for. Yes, what is this? हेर्नु पर्छ अरे के हो. केही छैन. यतिकै निकाल्न मिल्दो रहेछ, यो मात्रै चाहिने मलाई. I don't need this. And then let's get to the main part, the camera. Let's turn it on. ब्याट्री नै छैन camera. बेटी पनि मेरो लगाइज त. अब यसको फुटेज कस्तो आउँछ भनेर चाहिँ म सिधै बाइकमा भेट्छु है त. टेन. Alright guys, so welcome back. This is the footage that the DJI Action 5 shows. I don't know if this is the best quality that I can get on this one. So you know, as this is my first time using this camera, like my first time okay, recording so I don't know how the video, audio and everything looks like, but hopefully it's fine. Just that I started, that's why I was recording, and I thought, okay, why not check out the video again. What's the 172 सस्तो रहेछ नि त अहिले त. But number 4. Hey man, number 4. Thank you. The camera कुरा गर्दा छ हैन, I feel like GoPro भन्दा चाहिँ it's like a lot better हैन. The GoPro I was using before, GoPro Hero 11 भन्दा चाहिँ धेरै better छ होला मलाई vibes आइसक्यो हैन. Especially when I was reading the reviews and everything, people were like, Action 5 is like blah, it can compete with what do you call that, Insta360 Ace Pro 2 was this is the but I feel like this camera will be worth the hype. त्यो त अब बिस्तारै बिस्तारै मैले युज गर्दै गएपछि थाहा नै हुन्छ. अनि अर्को कुरा मैले यही भिडियोमा हाल्छु कि अघिल्लोको भिडियोमा हाल्छु कि कुन चाहिँ भिडियोमा हाल्छु, I don't know, but currently I'm using a DJI mic mini with this whole my motovlogging setup. So I have not the GoPro shit. Just the GoPro भन्ने बानी बसिसक्यो अब त. Like also vlog गरे भनेको GoPro मा मात्रै हो. Well, a few things about this DJI Action 5 is in compared to the GoPro. अब compare गर्ने भनेको GoPro सँगै, because that was the one that I was using earlier Hero 11 comparison I think this is more lighter तर यसको साइज चाहिँ अलिकति ठुलो छ जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई चाहिँ The screen and everything is like quite bigger than the GoPro. मैले यो रिभ्यु गर्न खोजे हैन, बट हुन्छ नि my first impression of the DJI Action 5 के कस्तो भयो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ yeah, it was kind of lighter it's not that heavy, not that bulky, and it's ekdam easy to use, not that complicated. What I thought is like as a beginner, if you're having your first camera DJI Action 5, it's gonna guide you through everything. Otherwise you have videos out in the internet, which makes it really easy. Well, also you can connect the DJI mic with this DJI camera wirelessly, you know, which is a really big plus point in my point of view. I know, that's why. Perks of having a bike. जहाँबाट नि छिर्न मिल्यो होइन त अल्सो राम्रो कुराहरू गर्दै थिएँ म डिजाईको बारेमा होइन अब यसमा एन्टी फिल्टर चाहिँ मैले हाल्न बाँकी छ आई डोन्ट ह्याभ द एन्टी फिल्टर फर इट अन्टिल नाउ होइन सो प्रब्लम अब छिट्टै लिन्छु क्यामेरा लिएको 2-3 दिन त भयो एन्ड दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम रेकर्डिङ सो आई ह्याभ द एन्टी फिल्टर कुन चाहिँ अब लिने भनेर चाहिँ अलि पछि म लाइक हुन्छ नि म रिसर्च चाहिँ गरिरहेको छु बट लेट्स सी other than that यो एंगल चाहिँ कस्तो आइरहेछ भन्ने कुरा इज इट वाइडर देन द गोप्रो or is it the same अब यो चाहिँ अब के भन्छ पोस्ट भिडियो मेकिङ अथवा हुन्छ नि ड्युरिङ द एडिटिङ टाइम नै थाहा हुन्छ लाइक हाउ द भिडियो टर्न आउट टु बी अल्सो अनि यसमा चाहिँ सुपर नाइट मोड पनि छ होइन which was the one that I was really excited about the night view is pretty good comparatively a lot better than the GoPros होइन the super night view is pretty good भन्ने सुनेको थिएँ but it doesn't have an ultra wide mode for motovlogging. I'll try with like a normal what do you call that wide mode but I don't know if it's gonna be worth the like hype and everything. I'll see about that. अब night rides जाँदाखेरि त्यही युज गर्छु कतिको वाइड हुन्छ भनेर apart from that everything else is fine on this one. It's really easy to use for me. There guys, that was my first impression of this DJI Action 5 now this is gonna be my main camera and I'll be using the GoPro so gonna take hell of a editing time of mine but should be okay because I'll have to keep the quality content and stuff right now. Guys, so I feel like that was probably it for today. I'm nearly here at Strathfield. That's why I want to end my vlog over here. So guys, that was probably it for today. Hope you guys liked this video. More videos coming up with the DJI Action 5 now. So stay tuned. Make sure you like the video and if you have any queries, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. Right with Sigam, right? So don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until that, bye bye. Peace out. Peace.